And to your point about the Asperger's, we know that in that film, in the documentary, I guess the director's cut, whatever they call that, where he's doing commentary, he says the Asperger's diagnosis is BS. To that point, Matthew, it sounds like we're going to see this whole movie because they want to get to the documentary at the end where Durst complains not about being portrayed as a guy who beats his wife, Kathy Durst at the time, but because he killed the dog. Is that what this all is about, just to get to that contradiction?
It certainly would be a long way to get there. It does show demeanor. I can understand where the prosecution is going with it. I mean, they're trying to show he was upset over the dog, but not the same was said about, when something happened against his penal interests, maybe someone alleging that maybe he killed someone. So ultimately, it's used to show that, but I think that there are such grave hearsay issues as it pertains to this movie. I really wonder where both parties and the court are going with it, because certainly from an appellate standpoint, I mean there's just an array of issues to work through when it comes to that.
Yeah, and you know that. You're the appellate guy. I have to point out some local knowledge because we know the jury members are out on their own when they have their meal break, their 90-minute meal break. You're recommending they may check out Howlin' Ray's, a chicken place near the courthouse. Is that what you're getting?
That's correct. There's a local place on break. Instead of watching the movie, you can go eat the food.
Okay, so check that out, and I'm getting nothing for that endorsement. Okay, so